I'm going to be making Parker's Split Pea Soup from Garten's Barefoot Contessa book, and it's going to start off in a large saucepan or Dutch oven, some good olive oil, 1½ cloves of garlic, I'm having the recipe, about 1 onion, and I'm going to simmer this until it's translucent. And this recipe is going to feature split peas. And a lot of split pea recipes usually have pork of some sort in them, but this one does not. This one is vegetarian except for the chicken broth. It's going to have some potatoes, red potatoes with the skin on, some medium diced carrots, some oregano, salt and pepper, and chicken broth. But it says that you can do it with water as well. I'm trying this for the first time, so I'm going to use some chicken broth. And as this starts to heat up, I'm going to add the salt and pepper. And also the oregano. And the oregano will heat up and release its flavor. Dry herbs should always go in at the beginning. Fresh herbs more towards the end. Okay, my onions are translucent. I'm going to add my medium diced carrot and medium diced red potato. And the split peas. I'm going to do half water and half chicken stock. And for the exact measurements, the recipe can be found on Ina's website. And this is going to simmer for 40 minutes. And periodically I'm going to come over and skim the foam that comes to the top. The soup is out and it smells amazing. I was a little skeptical at first for the simple ingredients, thinking it was going to need something. I also wasn't sure about the oregano. That didn't seem like it went with everything else for me, but this smells and tastes amazing. You know, the color of split pea soup is like a brownish, pale olive green, so it really kind of needs something on top to serve it, because it doesn't look nearly as good as it smells and tastes. So I'm just gonna cut up some fresh parsley on top. The picture in the book shows a beautiful crouton with some melted cheese on top. That would definitely do it. I'm just hoping a little bit of green here will make it a little more enticing, but all you need to do is smell this and you won't hesitate to try it. And that's that.